Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix iMessage not working on your iPhone. Some feature that set iMessage apart from regular text message and some other messaging app or its delivery status and read receipt feature. Nothing can be more annoying when iMessage isn't working on your iPhone. So let me show you how you can fix it. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data. To make sure that your internet connection is working, you can open any social media app or YouTube to check if your app is working smoothly. So once you have made sure that your internet connection is working perfectly, move on to the next step. Ensure that your iMessage is turned on. Go to settings, scroll down, find the message app, click on it and make sure that iMessage is turned on. Move on to the next step. The next step is restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, go to settings, click on general, scroll down, click on shutdown and slide to power off and make sure that you restart your iPhone once. So once your iPhone is restarted, move on to the next step. The next step is update your iPhone to the latest version. Simply go to settings, click on general and click on software update. And if you see any update here, make sure that you download that update and install it in your iPhone. Move on to the next step. The next step is turn off iMessage and turn back on again. Simply go to settings, click on messages, turn off iMessage and turn on back again and just wait for a few seconds until this waiting for activation is gone. Once you have done this and if it's still not working, then the last step is reset all settings. Simply go to your iPhone settings, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer reset, click on reset all settings. You won't lose any of your data, but it can fix your problem. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.